Find features that distinguish it from other brands for HOTTABLET Q8 Pro with case, HOTTABLET Tablet 7-inch Android 14.0 with protective case. And why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. HOTTABLET 7-inch Android 14.0 tablet. Compact, powerful, and ultra-portable. Experience smooth performance in a pocket-sized package with the HOTTABLET 7-inch Android tablet. Featuring Android 14.0 and a speedy processor, this device delivers a fluid user experience and easy access to Google Play's top apps, including YouTube, Netflix, and more, all without intrusive ads thanks to GMS certification. The 1024x600 IPS HD touchscreen ensures clarity and smoothness in daily tasks. While the tablet's 8GB RAM, 4GB plus 4GB expandable, 32GB ROM, and 1TB expandable storage support photo albums, music libraries, and movie collections with ease. Capture memories with the dual cameras, 5 megapixels rear and 2 megapixels front, and enjoy crystal clear audio via built-in speakers and the included 3.5mm earphones. The 3000 mAh battery and intelligent power saving system offer up to 8 hours of mixed use time, perfect for reading, browsing, or entertainment on the move. Whether you're buying for work, school, or play, this compact and powerful tablet checks all the boxes. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.